What's up YouTube? Genie here, back at it again, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Isa na namang NFT ang re-reviewin natin today. Ang title nitong game na to is Animalia. Ang gameplay niya is card game siya. So just like yung mga feature natin before, tignan natin kung ano yung difference naman nito. Anong special dito sa Animalia na to compared dun sa mga naunang NFT card games na ni-review natin. Okay? So if you're new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell, set that to all. That way you will always be notified with anything and everything NFTs. Yung mga announcements natin, mga updates natin, yung mga games like yan, yung Cryo War, yung Blockchain Monster Hunt, malapit na lumabas yan. So guys, make sure na lagi kayong nauuna pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kasi nga, syempre, mababa pa yung token, mas mura kayo makakapagsimula. Okay? CPD Friday Madness, guys, every Friday 8 p.m. with Professor T-Rex, the Laren TV, and yours truly, Gina De Dios. Okay? So without further ado, guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay, guys, so this is the website ng Animalia, and just like what we always do, we always put the link of the website in the description below para isang click nyo lang, diretso kayo agad sa website. Hindi kayo naliligaw sa mga scam o mga phishing sites. Okay? So, ayan, makikita ninyo, bear and bull, may fox, may whale. Whale to So, meron siyang rocket oh. Tingnan nyo. So, Animalia is an independent free-to-play. Yan guys Ayan na naman. Free-to-play online NFT trading card game featuring crypto-inspired meme creatures and gemstones. Powered by the Binance Smart Chain, Animalia gives you complete ownership over your in-game collectibles, just like what all NFTs are. So you have sole discretion kung anong gusto ninyo, yung responsibility nyo, anong gusto ninyong gawin sa mga NFTs nyo. Collect rare cards, create your own NFTs, build your deck, battle with other players, and sell cards to other traders. So, alam ko meron din tong may play to earn din siya. So, yan, nakita nyo guys. So, bear, may fox ba to? Fox to And fox, tas meron siyang parang rin to Kamay ng bear din yata to guys no? Ito, bull. Ayan angas nung Parang malakas yung card na yan pag nakuha ninyo. Okay, so yung gameplay guys, ito daw. Each player is represented by the chosen or by their chosen titan, the bull or the bear, which determines the special power available to them. Meme-inspired critters, artwork and illustrations of the critters are developed based on the cryptocurrency-inspired memes. Follow us on our social media to look at the behind-the-scenes of our concept artwork development. So guys, anyway, I just like what I always tell you, do your own research. So make sure to add all their socials or silipin niyo lahat ng mga socials niyo kasi based from there, malalaman niyo kung ano yung mga updates, gaano karami na yung community diyan, meron ba yang kumbaga anong something special diyan or ano yung mga palabas, ano yung mga events. Yan, isang mga importante din yan na malaman ninyo kasi may mga airdrop events yan, may mga whitelist events yan para sa IDO. Kasi yung mga IDO guys, yun yung pinakamura na makukuha ninyo yung token. Kumbaga parang launching price. Okay? So doon sa part na yon, pag nakasali kayo sa IDO, malaking possibility na yon na actually hindi malaki pero almost sureball na yun talaga. Nakikita at kikita kayo dun sa token na nabili ninyo. Okay? So next, crypto-based gemstones. There are in-game gemstones such as diamond, gold, silver, moon, ruby, and sapphire, which are often referenced in the name of cryptocurrency. These gemstones serve as the elemental card to power up your critters in the battlefield. So, parang mga parang add-on power-ups, pang level, pampalakas ng hataw siguro yan or something na ganun. Okay, so scarcity. The rarity of in-game assets will be represented by a tier system. So, merong free, may common, may rare, may epic, may legendary, and arcana or arcana. Ano bang dyan? So, yung parang mythical na pinalitan lang nila ng tawag, Arcana or Arcana. Tingnan natin kung ano yung tawag talaga dyan. Players will be able to obtain rare items through in-game system or participation in the marketplace. So, yung marketplace nila guys, and makikita ninyo, hindi pa siya available. So, coming soon na rin yan, I'm sure. So, ayun, nakalagay coming soon. So, next, Animalia Workshop. The creation of unique in-game assets will be enabled through the Animalia Workshop. The approved user-generated cosmetic NFTs will be tradable in the Animalia Marketplace. Animalia Marketplace, the Animalia Marketplace will allow, and guys, just self-explanatory, tanggalin mo lang Animalia Marketplace. Okay, so just like any other marketplace, pwede mong gawin dyan yung mga benta-benta. May rent din, and makikita ninyo, nauuso na yan ngayon, yung rent. Para yung mga hindi ganun kalaki yung budget to start with, pwede ka muna mag-rent. Okay? So, ayan. Makikita nyo guys, oh. Parang ganyan yung magiging gameplay nila. Diba? Ayan, oh. Oh, ha? Hard fork, hypnosis. Satoshi Nakamoto talaga yung ginamit, eh. Michael Saylor. Ayan, oh. So, sa mga nakapaglaro ng mga Yu-Gi-Oh!, Magic Cards the Gathering, Gods Unchained, yung Last Horde, parating din yan. Ito, panibagong card game. Mukhang exciting din to. So, silipin natin to once na nag-launch, since lalo na merong free-to-play. So, gawan natin ng content yan once available na yung beta or alpha server nila. Kahit sana may test server lang, pwede nating i-feature para makita ninyo yung mismong itsura ng laro, eh. Okay? So, ecosystem, staking, and so sabi ko din sa inyo sa mga previous videos, check out yung staking, staking feature or stake, kasi sa staking may ano din dyan, may income din kayong pwede makuha dyan. So, pag-aralan din ninyo yan, baka maganda rin ang kitaan. Okay? So, governance, Animalia development will involve governance model. So, check that out, okay? So, kung ano lang yung mga feeling ko na pinaka-importanting malaman ninyo about sa game na to, guys, yun lang muna ang focus natin. Balikan nyo na lang. Anyway, I will put all the necessary links na pwede nyong gamitin. Okay, so ito yung roadmap, guys. Isa sa mga pinaka-importante and kumbaga yung curiosity mo, saan papunta to? Anong meron dito sa game na to? Okay, so New Moon, sabihin yung ngayon, quarter number 4, Animalia Game Development and Marketing Fundraising, and then yung white paper release, may white paper na din sila dyan, silipin din natin mamaya. Contract audit, launch of Phase 1 NFT, launch of the ANIM token, so yung ANIM token nila, ANIM guys, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, ito. Yan, ANIM. Development of Animalia Marketplace, so yun yung mga uunahin nila. Okay, so next is si Crescent, which is quarter 1 of 2022, demo release of Animalia game. Sana makasali tayo dyan para ma-content din natin yan. Official release of the Animalia Market, development of Animalia Workshop, and launch of Phase 2 NFT. Next is quarter 2 of 2022, closed beta of Animalia game. So, yun, sana makasali tayo din dyan sa ano na yan. So, pagka kasi ganyan, normally lang yan, limited slots lang yan. So, kung gusto ninyong mag-participate dyan, I think magre-release naman sila ng kumbaga parang form or something na doon kayo mag-fill out and bubunot sila ng certain number of players para masubukan yung game. Official release of Animalia Workshop is also in quarter 2. Launch of Phase 3 NFT. And then yung official release of Animalia game will be next year, quarter 3 of 2022. Medyo matagal pa yun. So mga bandang, July, August, September. Yun yung quarter 3 eh. Okay, so official release of Animalia game, development of Animalia game on mobile. Ayan, mobile. So app siguro yan. Kasi kung hindi naman app yan. Pwede naman nilang, ano yun, sabihin lang nila, parang web-based, pwede na eh. So, merchandise, online store, launch of Phase 4, and then, full moon. So, quarter 4 of 2022. Next year yan. Strategic partnership expansion, future game expansions and updates, and yung launch nung Phase 5 NFT. So, itong game na to guys is backed up by strategic partners, and just like what I always tell you from the previous videos, pag may mga ganon, kahit papano, pwedeng ma-increase yung confidence ninyo na hindi ito yung tipong game na magra-rug pull na katulad ng mga nakaraan, okay? Kasi yun palang makipag-partner ka sa mga investment firms or yung mga launchpads or mga ganyan, ini-investigate na sila eh. Kumbaga, tinitignan na kung sino yung mga tao behind this, yung capability nila, yung team nila. Ayan. So, ayan guys, yung mga co-founder, si Bill Chua, co-founder din, Eddie Lim, co-founder din si Joe Fang, and yung CTO nila is Omega Yuen. Din yung pangalan nun, Omega. So, ito yung FAQs. What is Animalia? Sinabi sa inyo, yung sila, NFT trading card game. And then, how much does the game cost? Ayan, guys, yan yung This is a free-to-play online game. Players will have free access to join the game. You will be offered to purchase, sell, or trade in-game cosmetic or rare items to customize your decks and game boards known as Landscape. So, yan guys free-to-play online game. So, pwede nyo siyang subukan bago kayo mag-invest, which is the great part of that. Okay, next is, what is the Animalia token or the ANIM? Is the deflationary NFT token used as a native currency in the Animalia trading game? Please refer to our beta version of white paper for more information. The white paper will be updated as the game develops. Okay guys, so silipin natin yung white paper nila. Silipin natin kung anong meron dyan, anong importanteng pwede natin malaman dyan. So, hindi na muna to. Silipin na lang ninyo yan. Prologue din, silipin na lang ninyo yan. Inspiration, certain of the execution and implementation of the game mechanics. We looked into artistic direction to specify the format of components. Wala namang anything special. So, eto, gameplay guys. Animalia is a fast, turn-based strategy and card game of choices and consequences. Each match is a 1 versus 1 battle between two opponents. The players take turns to play cards from the hand to cast powerful spells. Then, equip mighty gemstones or summon critters to do battle on their behalf. The game may be played between two human players or one human and one AI. So, in PvE and PvP. Computer opponent. So, overtime, we expect, yada, okay. Titans, sa inyo kanina din. Critters can be summoned by the Titans as well as commanded to attack their opponent critters. The species of critters are developed based on the cryptocurrency-inspired memes. Yung hindi yung kanina sinabi eh. Weapons, special abilities which can be equipped by the Titans. And then yung gemstones, acting as the elemental card. Gemstones are used to power up your spell or critters in the battlefield. Each element has varying effect and will have different properties which interact with each other in unique ways. There are various gemstones. Okay. So, landscape, yan yung parang battlefield ninyo. Earn mechanism, ayan. So, earn mechanism, number 1 is by trading. Number 2 is by renting. Players can rent out their in-game assets for profit. The rental price will depend on the value in the market. Reward. In-game reward system will enable players to gain certain in-game assets while clearing some stage on PvP and PvE. So, just like any other games din yun. Packs. Luck-based card pack function with randomized algorithms to generate collectible rare items will be available to be purchased or obtained through seasonal events. Tokenomics, total token supply is 87 million. Okay. Seed sale is 8.7 million. Ayan, makikita nyo guys, 0.04. Seed sale naman yan. Ito yung terms niya, Pagka kasi ganyan na yung ganyan yung pinasok ninyo, may terms yan. Hindi kayo po pwedeng, kunyari, binili ninyo worth $1,000 na USD 0.04 ang binili mo. Pagkatapos, bibigay lahat sa'yo. Hindi ganun ang ano niyan. Ang gimmick nila, iba-iba yan. So, dito sa kanila, so seed sale to, itong pakita ko sa inyo, ito. Private sale, yan, 0.08, 20% release at TGE or yung token generation event, then linear vest over 12 months. So, every month, meron kang, kumbaga, kung magkano yung natira, di-divide mo by 12 months. Okay? So, public sale is 0.10. And so, pag nauna kayo, guys, yan yung price. So, tumaas lang ng konti. Tignan mo, kunyari, 0.50, di 5 times na agad yung price mo, di ba? So, yung 0.50 na yun, mabilis yun. First couple of hours, pagpapump na yan, Okay? So, liquidity pool is 7.830 million. Ecosystem fund, team marketing. So, marketing and listing is 13,050,000. And so 50% locked, then linear vest over 6 months. Disclaimer. Okay, so yun yung earn mechanism nila, tokenomics din, marketplace, and disclaimer. Yun na pala, dire-diretso lang yung ina nila So, yun ang white paper niya. So, pinaka-importante na nalaman natin dito, guys, is yung gameplay and yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung IDO. Yan. So, goal ninyo, guys, na kung gusto ninyo makasali dito or gusto ninyo talagang kumita sa mga NFTs, ganyan, yan ang mga sisilipin ninyo. Okay? Tapos, hindi lahat kasi nakakasali sa ganyan. Normally, whitelist lang and niraraffle nila yung whitelisting. So, pag nabunot kayo, swerte ninyo, di ba? May allocated ka, sabihin sa'yo, kunyari, okay, so nabunot ka, Chino, ang allocation ko sa'yo, pwede kang bumili ng token hanggang, kunyari, $1,000 US. Yun yung maximum mo. Tapos, pwedeng may minimum, pwede namang wala. Parang gano'n ang ano nila. Okay? Okay, so yun si Animalia, guys. And I will put all the socials in the description below. Yung, kung may Telegram sila, may Discord ba sila, may Facebook page ba yan, may kung ano-ano pa. So, yun, lagay natin lahat sa description nitong video para kung gusto ninyong mag-research, silipin ninyo lahat yon. And, like what I mentioned earlier, goal ninyo, makasali kayo sa IDO para kumita na agad kayo, get-go pa lang nung mismong game. Kumbaga, hindi pa nila-launch, pwede na kayong kumita kahit papano. Maka-break even or kumita na mga ilang libo siguro, di ba? Malaking bagay na yon. Okay? So if you are new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. Set that to all para lagi kayong notified sa mga announcements and updates natin. And check nyo syempre yung channel ko. Ang dami nating games dyan, guys, na feature. Abangan ninyo. Yung silipin niyo dyan, guys, yung Blockchain Monster Hunt, yung Cryo War. Check nyo din yung, ano ba to? Crypto Blades Kingdom, palabas na rin yan. May mga sale na silang mga NFTs. So, again, pagka ganyan, guys, lamang ang nauuna. Pagka ngayon kayo bumili, murang-mura pa. Pag ni-launch na yung game, lipad ang presyo niyan. Times 2, times 3, times 4, baka times 5 pa. So, pagka ganun, kung kunyari, hindi man ninyo feel na ituloy yung game, yung nabili ninyo NFT, pag binenta ninyo yun, sigurado, guys, kikita na kayo. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang muna. I will see you on the next video. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace!